New report, is SaaS still growing? All right, everyone, let's cut straight to it. Is SaaS, software as a service, still growing, or are we heading for a slowdown? There's a lot of noise out there about market correction, recessions, and SaaS companies struggling to turn profits. But let me tell you, while some may be waving the white flag, the real story is much bigger. SaaS is not just surviving, it's evolving and thriving in new, exciting ways. Today, we're going to break down some points, look at some trends shaping the future of SaaS, and why this might be the best time to dive into software as a service. So stick with me, we're going to dive into this today. Welcome to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps and build custom software solutions for companies. I do a lot of work as a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development, I've mastered the art of transforming technology teams and products. All right, let's dive into some big takeaways when it comes to the growth of SaaS in 2024. The question is on everyone's mind. Is SaaS still growing, or have we hit a wall? Spoiler alert, it's still growing, and I've got the numbers to back it up. Now, everyone keeps talking about market downturns and recessions, but here's the truth. SaaS is still growing and growing fast. According to recent reports from SaaStr, the SaaS market is projected to continue to expand at a compound annual rate of 18.7%. Despite economic fluctuations, SaaS companies are continuing to raise capital, scale, and acquire customers. The demand for cloud-based services isn't slowing down, it's just evolving a bit. Businesses need SaaS solutions to streamline operations, reduce overhead, and stay competitive. So the bottom line, if you're in SaaS, the future is still bright. Now, one of the key growth areas for SaaS is the rise of industry-specific solutions. We're seeing more SaaS companies targeting verticals like healthcare, construction, and finance with highly specialized platforms. This shift makes total sense. Businesses need tailored solutions that cater to their specific workflows, and SaaS companies are stepping up to meet that need. This opens up huge opportunities for developers and entrepreneurs who are ready to niche down and solve unique problems within specific industries. Now, let's get real for a second. Not everything in SaaS is sunshine and rainbows. While the market is growing, profitability remains a challenge for many startups. According to Seeking Alpha, SaaS startups are struggling with high customer acquisition costs, and it's taking longer for many to break even. Investors are getting more cautious, and the days of throwing money at any SaaS idea are over. But here's the thing. This is good news for the solid players. The market is maturing, and those who can balance growth with profitability are going to win. Now, one of the biggest drivers of SaaS growth is AI and automation. SaaS platforms are getting smarter, and AI is no longer just a buzzword. It's becoming a core feature in many applications. Whether it's automating customer service, improving data analytics, or enhancing user personalization, AI is transforming SaaS into a must-have for businesses looking to scale efficiently. And if your company has systems that aren't connected, let us help you out. Here at Startup Hack, our specialty is connecting systems to help your company work like a well-oiled machine. So check out startuphack.com/Spencer and we can help you out. Now let's talk about the subscription model. Yes, it's still king. One-time software purchases are a thing of the past, and businesses actually love the predictability and scalability that comes with a subscription-based model. Recurring revenue is the lifeblood of SaaS companies, allowing them to invest in continuous improvements and customer success. But it's not just about locking in monthly fees, it's about delivering ongoing value. If you're in SaaS, remember your job doesn't end with the sale, it starts there. Now, speaking of ongoing value, customer success is no longer just a support function, it's a growth driver. SaaS companies are investing heavily in customer success teams to ensure that users get the most out of their software. Why? Because retention is the name of the game. Acquiring new customers is expensive, but retaining existing ones and expanding their accounts is pure profit. This is why customer success is becoming just as important as sales and marketing in the SaaS world. Hybrid SaaS models are another growing trend. So in traditional SaaS, everything is hosted in the cloud, but more companies are experimenting with hybrid models where part of it is software as a service and the other part is service-based. This allows businesses more control over sensitive data and to help their customers ensure success in using the SaaS platform. For industries like finance, healthcare, and government, this hybrid approach that combines service plus SaaS offers the best of both worlds, security and scalability. Now, SaaS isn't just a US-centric phenomenon. The global SaaS market is booming with significant growth in regions regions like Asia, Europe, and Latin America. As internet access and cloud infrastructure improve globally, more businesses in emerging markets are adopting SaaS models. This global expansion is creating new opportunities for SaaS companies to tap into previously underserved markets. The world is getting smaller and SaaS is becoming more critical for business worldwide. Now let's talk about developers for a second, because SaaS wouldn't exist without them. Developers are at the heart of this revolution, creating the tools and systems that businesses rely on. With the growing demand for customization and integration, companies need developers who can build, maintain, scale, and connect SaaS platforms. If you're a developer looking for a high-growth career path, SaaS is still where your action is. And if you've got the skills to integrate AI and automation into your SaaS offerings, you're going to be in even higher demand. So as I mentioned earlier, profitability is tightening up for SaaS companies, but this isn't necessarily a bad thing. The SaaS gold rush might be slowing down a little bit, but the solid players are emerging stronger. We're going to see more consolidation in the market, with larger companies acquiring smaller companies, less profitable ones. The companies that focus on delivering value and retaining customers are going to thrive, while those who rely too heavily on hype will struggle. With more businesses moving into the cloud, data security and privacy are becoming massive concerns. SaaS companies that can provide airtight security protocols and comply with regulations like GDPR and CCPA are going to stand out. As customers become more aware of how their data is handled, they'll choose SaaS providers they can trust. For developers, this means building security into your software from the ground up. It's not just an afterthought anymore. So what's next for SaaS? Well, we're going to see even more integrations with AI, automation, and data analytics. SaaS platforms are going to get smarter, more customizable, and even more embedded into the everyday operations of businesses. The subscription model will continue to dominate, but expect to see more flexible pricing structures that cater to different type of users. The SaaS market is far from slowing down. It's just evolving a bit. And if you're a developer, entrepreneur, or business looking to get into SaaS, now's a great time to make your move. Now, what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love having a great discussion, so make sure to leave a comment down below, if nothing else, just to say hi. And make sure to like and subscribe. Here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding bootcamp and to build custom software solutions. So reach out, because we'd love to help. Hit the link down below and check out startuphack.com/Spencer today.